Hello, I'm getting ready to start page 142. I left off on page 141 and it told me to close on 141. So here's where we are. So the very first one is we're going to, number 1, and we're on 142 to 143 is what we're doing for this video. So click Arcadia Arts Organizations on the list of tables and then click the Create tab and click Form. Okay, and then click the Themes button and click Wisp. Okay, and let's find Wisp. There you go. That's the bottom one. And there you go. Now, the forms, you may not realize how special these forms are, but what they are, a form is good for is, say for instance, you want somebody to, I'm not thinking really good, I'm thinking really fast. Say you work for a company and you're keeping these data tables, okay, and you don't want anybody to mess it up. So what you could do is you could create a form, so therefore they could add all the information in, and this is much easier and nicer and smooth. That's all the form is just entering data into your tables. Okay, so click the View button in the Views group over here, and then you're going to switch to Form View, and then you're going to press Tab, and you're going to type Reaching Out. And then press Tab, Sales at reachingout.com. Now notice, remember earlier you made that a hyperlink, so that automatically makes it that way for people. Otherwise it's just static text. So that's cool. Now double click column dividers in the product data sheet so all the field names are visible. Okay, so see those column dividers right there? Remember how I told you could do this? But you can also double click will make it auto fit. It'll fit automatically perfectly. There you go. Click the blank cell below product name right here. Click ceramic bowl. Oops. Why is that not letting me? I guess you have to hit product name. And that product ID is assigned to it unless you go back into the, what do you call it, the not data sheet, it's a design view. And you can change whether or not you want to put those numbers in yourself. Okay, and then the region, which is cool because you already put in these items. And so that's going to be from Africa. And then type H, show Africa, press Tab, and type H for household, or you could just hit the down arrow, I guess it doesn't matter, and press Tab and type 15, and press Tab and type 150. Look how cool that looks. I mean, seriously, we're doing something just basic, but it looks like you're doing big time stuff. So enter data for 4 more products as shown in 6-5. So if we go to 6-5 and we're going to put in opal ring. Oop, go back. Opal ring, and I want that to be from Southeast Asia, and that is going to be jewelry, and that's 8, and it's $55. Okay, and then decorated drum, Africa, instrument, and then $68. Oh, no. There's 7 of them, and they're $68. And hand pipes, in Central America, instrument, 25, and that one is $80. And Mayan mask, that is Central America, and art, there's 5 of those, and $125. Okay. And if we need to do any column widths again, it suggests we just go in here and just click on those edges or move them ourselves, or whichever, whatever works. You have to make sure your cursor changes or it won't fit right. There you go. We're good. Okay. Now click the New Blank Record button at the bottom of the form. Now look down here at the bottom. So notice this is one record. One person has been entered into this table. So let's hit a new person, and in a minute when we save this form, it's going to automatically populate that table. So click organization name text box, and then we're going to type in helping circles and enter sales at helpingcircles.com. Okay, enter the 4 products shown in 6-6. So we're going to go to 6-6, which is going to be ebony dinner set, Africa, household, 5, and 80. And rhino carving, and that's going to be in Africa, and that's going to be art, 15 and 90. Jaguar carving in Central America, art, 9 and 150. And bamboo screen, Central America, household, 12 and 90. Okay, so we're now going to create another new blank form and enter substantial world. So we're going to go blank, and we're going to go substantial, sustainable world with sales at sustain world.com, and enter the 6 products in 6-7. So we got wool tapestry, Central America, art, 29 and 200, and turquoise earrings, and I'll pause just a moment. Okay, I had a student that had a question, so I'm going to, I had to come back to this. So turquoise earrings, Central America, jewelry, and 8 and 30, and we're going to have topaz pendant. Man, this place is selling some stuff. Southeast Asia, and jewelry, 7 and 300. Balinese bells, Southeast Asia, instrument, 15 and 100. And teak bowl, India, household, 18 and 12. We're almost done. Tiger wall hanging, India, household, 9 and 25. And close the form and click yes. Okay, now notice over here on the left, that right there where it says forms, that's the actual form we were just in. If I exit out of that, if I want to go into the table, I can exit out of that, go into this table, exit out of that. You know, that's what I'm saying, is that's where the work is, tables and forms. Now the forms, what's really cool is when I added stuff into this forms, notice it showed up in the table. These are people we just added by using the form. See? So that's pretty cool. So let me exit out of this. Pick up where we are going with the next one. Double click the Arcadia Arts organization, and in the tables all access objects pane to view the 3 organizations. Then double click Arcadia Arts products, in the tables to view the 15 products. Notice how they were both filled in. So that just from that form, they were both filled in. So click the Arcadia Arts Organizations tab right up here. That's where it's at. Where, you know, go back and forth between them. To show the organizations table, click the expand button next to reaching out. So where it says reaching out, there should be an expand button right here. And to view the products associated with the reaching out organization. Isn't that crazy awesome? Then compare the list to 6.8. So over here on 6.8, make sure they match. Looks good. Now close both tables, saving if prompted. That's the end of that video.